All right, it's election year. We're going to ask Johnny O how he going to defend black people's rights in Baltimore. He up here taking pictures and doing photo ops. Might ask him some real questions. How y'all doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing wonderful.
Samay?
Pardon me?
That's oh, that's Samay? Okay.
Do I look like Samay? That's not a Samay. Samay and me are totally different. How you doing, Johnny O?
Who are you?
Here you are. Do you know who I am?
Reverend Tilghman.
I'm Reverend Tilghman.
Officer Tilghman.
No, do you remember me? You was at the Democratic Black Caucus a couple weeks ago?
At the town hall?
Yeah.
I sure did. Okay.
You don't remember me there? I was in the front row, Shorty.
Okay.
The barbecue guy.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right, got that in your hand. I'm asking you real questions because you running for office, right?
Okay. Are we live?
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay. My entire life.
How long you been in Baltimore Democratic Party?
My entire life.
All right, so
all 35 years.
All right, I'm 57.
Okay.
All right, I've been in Baltimore since 1991. I came straight out of the penitentiary in Illinois. I'm an interstate compact. What's your stance on the crime bill? What is your crime plan?
The crime bill?
Crime plan. What is your crime plan as a county executive?
Well, my crime plan is that we work with communities.
All right.
Have police engage with our residents and not sort of hiding cars. That they're out there, they're active in the communities that they're partnering with. It's a together strategy. It's the same way that I'm promoting relationship across all of our. It's about service. It's about collaboration.
All right. What do you know about me as an individual? Not a whole lot, right?
Tell me, yeah.
I know. I'm not going to tell you nothing you're going to learn today.
Okay.
All right. I'm a community activist. I've been in prisoner's advocate since 1997 when I came out of jail.
Okay.
I'm Shorty's Barbecue. I own a barbecue stand on Falls Road and Joppa Road. I opened in 97. It's my 20th year in business.
Okay.
What you're holding in your hand is white collar crime because my property was stolen by the Baltimore County. It was Baltimore County participated in it, all right? Because I was making a documentary about race and racism in Baltimore County. I own the store, except I own the lunch counter now. So I was showing how we interact as a community, as people.
Okay.
I got locked up for making that movie. And I got locked up because I put Democratic people's names in that movie because I'm a caterer. I've been in your house. I know David Irwin. I know 85% of the richest people in the state. I know the people that donate to your campaign. You know what I'm saying? I know Pat Arakis. I know Ed Hale. I know Ed Hale Jr.
Okay.
You feel me?
Okay.
I cater for these people.
Okay.
So in my business, I'm the guy that put the toilet in front of the Towson courthouse in 2011.
All right.
The state took my truck, my computer, and all my money. I'm out $2.6 million because I was making a movie about the Democratic Party and mass incarceration.
Okay.
Now, all of y'all can Google this and look this up because I don't do nothing in the dark. I'm not a sneaky individual.
Neither am I.
All right? So Google.
I'm here, right?
You can't go nowhere. This is your event. You can't cut and run.
Well, I was going to go knock doors.
You can knock on doors, but I'm going to bring it to you because, see, everybody going to ask you these questions.
I'm the only one running who's accessible, transparent, and out there.
Kamenetz, you trying to take Kamenetz's spot, right?
That's correct.
He is totally involved in this. This is Governor O'Malley because, like I said, mass incarceration and stop and frisk. When they closed the projects in Baltimore City, your Baltimore County Detention Center grew because they gave them vouchers and Section 8 housing out in Baltimore County. And your police department targeted those individuals. You understand what I'm saying? The mass incarceration came from. When they did the Department of Justice thing here in Baltimore City, I did an independent Whistleblowers Act on Baltimore County. And Kamenetz was part of it, Governor O'Malley, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souder. I'm just letting you know the Democratic Party was deeply involved in this. And you can go straight to Cheryl Glenn. That's why everybody know me, and they call me Shorty.
Okay.
So this ain't no disrespect. This is just letting you know this is you in the game now. All right.
And what I want you to have is, if you or anyone else has evidence of things of wrongdoing, whether it's the police department or our county government, I want to know about it. I want it to be transparent. I want us to be able to have it investigated and looked into.
Well, right now it's in your hand, and Councilman Kirk got it, and Councilman Kirk said he can't talk to me. But you as a representative, if you took an oath of office, you represent the people, and you're supposed to let the people approach you. I have a right as a citizen to approach my government to address grievances against my government as an individual. I have a right to represent myself in a court of law with the aid and assistance of a lawyer. The lawyer does not control the case. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm not no just off the street type person. I know what I'm talking about. So what you holding in your hand is something you got to deal with for the rest of your campaign. And if you're sitting in office, I'm the first one that you're going to see when you say I do.
Shorty, where's your contact information?
It's on there. You can find me on there.
This is the officer, though. Right?
Just Google me.
Google you?
Google me.
How about you just give us your information?
Yeah, hey, you ain't gotta reach. I'm reaching out to you. I'm serious. Just Google me. Do your research on me. Shorty's barbecue. Shorty's bootleg barbecue.
Shorty's bootleg barbecue.
So good, it's illegal.
All right. Well, you'll hear from us.
Oh, I know we will.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Shorty's bootleg barbecue. I deal with the homelessness and prisoners' rights. That's my thing. All right. You can ask Kathleen Pugh, Congressman Cummings, a lot. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know me. City, county, state, and federal levels. I'm good on the governments and ghettos.
Very good.
All right.
Thank you.